Welcome to the Lean Six Sigma world, your ultimate destination for mastering Lean Six Sigma. Today, in this video, we will explain what is Kanban and why this tool is so powerful for the growth of any organization. But before we dive in, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And hit that notification bell so that you never miss our power-packed videos. Let's get started. What is Kanban? Kanban is a visual workflow management method that originated in the Toyota Production System, TPS. Kanban is widely used in lean manufacturing, agile software development, and service industries. Kanban is derived from a Japanese word which means signboard or billboard. Kanban is designed to help teams visualize work. Kanban helps to limit work in progress, means WIP, and optimizing efficiency. What about the core principle of Kanban? The core principles of Kanban include visualizing workflow, limiting WIP, managing flow, making process policies explicit, implementing feedback loops. Kanban uses a board with columns representing different stages of a process, or work items, represented as cards, move from left to right as they progress. The main goal of Kanban is to create a continuous flow of work by preventing bottlenecks and reducing inefficiencies. Kanban operates based on a pull system, which means new tasks are only started when there is available capacity. This helps in maintaining a smooth and predictable workflow, ensuring faster delivery of value to customers. Kanban does not require overhauling an entire system. Instead, it allows for incremental and evolutionary changes, making it adaptable to various industries beyond manufacturing, including IT, software development, healthcare, and marketing. The system's effectiveness is enhanced by implementing Kanban metrics such as lead time, cycle time, and throughput, which help teams measure and improve performance over time. Kanban boards can be physical or digital. The integration of Kanban into agile methodologies such as Scrum creates a hybrid approach known as Scrumban, which leverages the flexibility of Kanban with the structured planning of Scrum. What are the benefits of Kanban? The key benefits of Kanban include increased visibility, reduced waste, better collaboration, continuous delivery, and improved responsiveness to change. Additionally, Kanban fosters a culture of continuous improvement through regular retrospectives and data-driven decision-making. Many organizations adopt Kanban for its flexibility, scalability, and ability to improve efficiency without disrupting existing workflows. As businesses strive for leaner and more efficient processes, Kanban remains a proven method to enhance productivity and streamline operations. And that's a wrap. So you now understand what is Kanban? And why this is important to understand for the growth of any organization. If you found this video valuable, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. We would love to hear from you. Do not forget to subscribe to the Lean Six Sigma world and turn on the notification button so that you do not miss our upcoming powerful videos. Stay tuned because we have more exciting Lean Six Sigma insights coming your way. Thanks for your valuable time, and I will see you in the next powerful video.